Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The lowest energy conformer isomer among dimethylcyclohexanes is the one that can place both methyl substituents in equatorial positions simultaneously, minimizing 1,3 diaxial interactions. Moving on to the next step. A. CIS 1,3 dimethylcyclohexane. In the most stable chair, CIS 1,3 means both methyls are either both axial or both equatorial. Both equatorial is possible, so this is relatively stable. B. 1,1 dimethylcyclohexane. Gemdimethyl 1-methyl must always be axial, cannot avoid axial methyl strain entirely, but there is no 1,3 diaxial interaction between the two gem methyls with ring substituents, however 1-methyl is always axial. C. Trans 1,4 dimethylcyclohexane. In the chair conformation, trans 1,4 substitution allows both methyl groups to be equatorial simultaneously, diequatorial. This is the most stable arrangement. D. CIS 1,4 dimethylcyclohexane. 1-methyl must be axial and 1 equatorial, cannot achieve diequatorial arrangement. E. Another depiction similar to trans 1,4 or a different isomer examining the wedge dash pattern suggests 1 axial and 1 equatorial arrangement. Moving on to the next step. Trans 1,4 dimethylcyclohexane. Option C, can adopt a chair conformation with both methyl groups equatorial. This diequatorial arrangement has the lowest steric strain, no 1,3 diaxial interactions from either methyl group, giving it the lowest potential energy among the listed isomers. And for the final step. A. CIS 1,3. Both equatorial is achievable, but the ring geometry still introduces some strain compared to 1,4 trans. B. 1,1 dimethyl always has 1 axial methyl, higher energy. D. CIS 1,4 1 axial methyl always present, higher energy. E. Appears to be a monosubstituted or different stereoisomer that cannot achieve diequatorial. The diequatorial trans 1,4 dimethylcyclohexane has the lowest energy. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.